In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, change, and manage inbox views in Microsoft Outlook quickly and efficiently as per our 2025 guide. For those of you looking to optimize your email experience, customizing your inbox view can make a huge difference in productivity and organization. Let's dive right into it. First, you're going to start by opening Microsoft Outlook. Once you have your inbox open, look towards the top of your screen and identify the View tab. Clicking on this will open up a range of customizable options specific to how you see your inbox. It's your gateway to a more personalized email experience. Next, you'll want to click on View Settings. This is where the real customization begins. By accessing the view settings, you can decide how you want your emails to be displayed. Whether you're looking for a clean view or prefer to have more details at a glance, this is the place to set it up just the way you like it. One of the great advantages of using Outlook is its flexibility. Within the View Settings menu, under the Layout options, you can adjust the text size and spacing to small, medium, or large. This is particularly useful if you find yourself straining your eyes with tiny text or prefer more space between your email items for easier reading. Moreover, you have the opportunity to adjust the reading pane. This feature can significantly increase your efficiency when reading emails. Depending on your preference, you might choose to have the reading pane on the right side, at the bottom, or even turn it off entirely. Playing around with these settings can help you find the most comfortable and productive setup for your workflow. Once you've adjusted these settings to your liking, don't forget to click on Save. This will ensure all your changes are applied and you can start enjoying your new view configuration immediately. There's nothing more frustrating than having to redo your settings because you forgot to hit save, so make sure not to skip this step. After saving, you can close the settings window by clicking on the X at the top right of the menu. Once you're back to your main inbox view, notice the options beside View Settings. These are additional nuggets of customization that can further enhance your Outlook experience. Finally, it's important to revisit and manage your inbox view from time to time, as your preferences and needs might change. Outlook provides various other adjustable options, allowing you to continuously hone the efficiency and personalization of your viewing experience. Explore these settings to see what best fits your needs, and remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. The best setup is the one that works for you. And there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to mastering your inbox views in Microsoft Outlook. Enjoy your new streamlined email experience, and thanks for tuning in.